Hello, ladies. Are you dealing with fibroids? Are you considering natural remedies or treatments? In this video, we will look at some natural remedies that are said to shrink fibroids. You may have heard about them, but do they really work? Which ones actually work and how do they work? Welcome, ladies, to Lifestyle Dietitian. Here we talk about lifestyle measures to tackle illnesses that affect women, and of course, we also talk about nutrition. Please feel free to join this community by subscribing. Also support this channel by sharing our videos. Thank you. So fibroids are non-cancerous tumors that grow inside the uterus of a woman. I made a video on my channel about what fibroids are, their causes, their risk factors, so we wouldn't want to prolong this video by talking about them. So why should you consider natural treatments for fibroids? Besides the high cost of conventional treatments and surgery, the most important reason is the high chance of reoccurrence of fibroids. There is a 30% chance that this would occur in most persons who have fibroid surgery. But natural treatment methods focus on both the environment and hormonal changes causing fibroids. The first natural treatment method we want to look at is acupuncture. So acupuncture is a form of Chinese treatment method that is used to treat small to medium-sized fibroids. It works by realigning your hypothalamus pituitary ovarian axis. This is the axis that controls the levels of estrogen and progesterone in the body of a woman. It also promotes blood flow to the uterus, helping to shrink fibroid size. How effective is acupuncture in treating uterine fibroids? Many studies carried out have shown that acupuncture is an effective treatment for fibroids. For instance, the National Library of Medicine sees it as a well-founded treatment method with long-term health benefits. In fact, some recent studies record efficacy rates as high as 75%. If you choose to go through this route, remember that acupuncture alone will not effectively treat fibroids. You need to incorporate the next natural treatment method I'm about to mention, which is a healthy diet. So your risk of developing fibroids is associated with your diet. Your diet can either help to stop the growth of fibroids, shrink them, or feed the fibroids and promote their growth. So there are some specific dietary deficiencies that are linked to fibroid development. I do not recommend a particular diet for fibroid treatment. I will only encourage you to eat more of the good and natural foods like organic fruits, vegetables, foods that are rich in fiber, whole grain carbohydrates, healthy fats, and protein. This diet would not just help you in treating fibroid, but would benefit your overall health. And I will encourage you to limit or totally avoid the bad stuff, which include unhealthy fat sources, processed meats, high fat dairy, caffeine, alcohol consumption, and also quit smoking. I will do a detailed video on fibroids and your diet. The next natural treatment for fibroids is weight loss. Overweight or obese women are 2 to 3 times at risk of developing fibroids, and this is especially true for women who carry extra weight in the abdominal region. The reason is because fat cells make more estrogen. So the more fat cells you carry, the more circulating estrogens you will have. But losing weight will actually help to stop the growth of existing fibroids for sure. But when combined with other lifestyle measures like your diet and other natural treatments, you may succeed in shrinking existing fibroids. So let's look at supplements or herbal treatments for fibroids. First is vitamin D supplementations. So many studies have shown the link between vitamin D deficiency and development of fibroids. In fact, several studies that have been carried out in animals have shown that vitamin D supplements can shrink fibroids by up to 75%. However, in human studies, what they discovered was that the control group that did not receive vitamin D supplements experienced fibroid growth by up to 40%. But the study group who received vitamin D supplements, they did not experience any fibroid growth at all. So it was effective in stopping the growth of fibroids. Next natural treatment is green tea extract and matcha tea. both of them come from the same plant, but they are processed in different ways. So, green tea extract, I will talk about it, contains a compound known as EGCG. There has only been one clinical study studying the effect of green tea extract on fibroids. The study consisted of about 39 women, and in that study, what they discovered was that the group who received green tea extracts shrunk their fibroids by 32% in 4 months, while the placebo group, experienced a fibroid growth of up to 24%. Remember, this is just a pilot study and may need further studies to validate it. However, there is no harm in trying it. But if you want to go through this route, please remember to stick to the recommended dose, because there has been cases of people experiencing acute liver failure when taking green tea extract in very large amounts. So please do not feel like you need to shrink your fibroids today and you take large amounts. Next herbal treatment is the Chinese medicine or herbal treatment known as Guizi Fulin. I'm not sure I pronounced it right, but this formula contains several herbs that can help to balance hormones and has been proven to be able to shrink fibroids. Next is chestberry extract. So chestberry extract is also known as Agnus cactus and is known as a hormone balancer. It's able to regulate the estrogen and progesterone balance and kind of reduces estrogen dominance in women. And it has the potential of stopping fibroid growth. So you could also give this a try. So the following herbal remedies are marketed as having the potential to treat fibroids, but there are no scientific evidence for them. What we do know is that they can help to relieve fibroid symptoms. So we have apple cider vinegar, ginger, turmeric tea, castor oil packs, beetroot juice. These remedies are effective in relieving or treating fibroid symptoms such as heavy menstrual bleeding, painful sex, periods, cramps, and bloating. So, ladies, what do you think about these treatments? Which ones would you love to try? Or do you know anyone who have succeeded in shrinking or treating fibroids with them? Please share with us. We want to learn more. So, ladies, have you subscribed to our channel? Yes, I see you. Thank you. I see you have subscribed. Please share with friends and we'll talk in the comment section.